They ain't want to see it. Uh-huh. That, of course, is my co-host giving me nothing but love, Miss Anila. Miss Anila. And I am, of course, Justzay. And today we got pieces of footwear coming straight from Adidas. And this is something I think that a lot of people are unfamiliar with, but they will love, especially for the price. Today's pair of footwear we're unboxing is the Adifom Iiinfinity Mule. For only $50, you can't go wrong. I think this is the slides that people will love once they try these on. Open the box. Now open the box. You want to rush me down? You want to rush Daddy, daughter?
Well, open the box.
All right, let's give the people what they want. Let's open the box. First thing you notice about this shoe is that it is foamed out from the upper as well as the outer sole, and the colorway is of course core black all the way around. Now the interesting thing about this footwear is that it resembles the actual Adidas shoe, which of course is the Infinities, which I'll show you guys a little bit later, as if you guys can't already see the resemblance. Now of course this is a slide. Now the thing I think that separates this from other slides is that you have this little backing right here, gives you a little extra protection for the back of your foot. And we're looking at, how deep is this? I see it. It's an 1.5 inches. Now these are size 11. Now unfortunately I will have to take these back because I thought these were going to run small like the Yeezys, because these are EVA foam. This of course is a lightweight EVA foam, which is not quite as soft as the Yeezys, which I'll show you guys in just a little bit. But if you're a 10, 10.5, go with the 10. I know they don't make half the sizes, so it always going to put you in that space of either just a little too big or perfect or just a little too small. Now I am a 10, 10.5. I got the 11, and these are just way too big for me. So hopefully these come back in stock. All right, so as I was telling you guys, I like this shoe simply because it resembles another shoe, which is of course these bad boys right here. Now, don't get it twisted. I mean, as much as I love these, I hate these motherfuckers. These shoes right here are the reason why I can't wear these. These fit so fucking small. I had a 10, I took them back. I got a 10.5. I'll probably end up taking these back just to get a size 11 and see how it fits. These were on sale for $56, which lets you know nobody is buying these. And at first I was wondering why. But after I did like a 15-minute jog, I understand these are so fucking uncomfortable. I don't know who would ball in these, and it just makes me wonder why they can't use the foam in these and make these a casual sneaker and don't make them basketball, because people will really see these and appreciate them for what they are. I mean, look at that. You know what I'm saying? These are so sweet. Now back to this. Now the resemblance is very easy to tell. You have the 3 stripes right here, and then you have a window for the 3 stripes, and on the bottom you have the little 3 dots right here, which of course you get right here. Now these slides I would say are probably A tier, simply because you have these nice little grooves that you can see throughout the whole slide. Let me see if we can focus in on that. You can't quite see it as well as I want you to, but you can see it throughout the whole slide. There it is. You see it? Now you don't have that with the Yeezys. However, with these being so soft and comfortable, you don't need that. These are S tier slippers. These are still reign supreme in my eyes. Both EVA foam, but there's levels to it. This is S tier, this is A tier right here. But for $50, man, get you 2 pairs if not 1. Like I said, this is great amount of traction right here. Nice little rigid designs. If you wanted to go barefooted, you could, or with socks. I mean, I recommend socks because, you know, don't be nasty. So as I was telling you guys, they wouldn't be slides if you couldn't just slide your foot in. You can easily slide your foot in as well as slide your foot out. And where we're headed, we have a pair of Yeezys. Now look at this. See that? Now granted, I've been wearing these for quite some time, so these are as plush as they're going to become. These are still just a little, I don't want to say stiff, but these, a broken in period is what these need, and these will probably be a lot more soft than what they are. But right off the bat, you feel the grooves on this shoe. Now, there's one thing I forgot to show you guys, and I'd be remiss if I didn't. If you look on the inside of your pair, you're going to see it says Adifom Iiinfinity US size 11 made in India. That's just one little detail that I didn't show you guys in the last scene. I think I showed you guys this, the 3 stripes. But oh, here we go. Here's a better angle. You see that? There we go. The grooves throughout the whole shoe. So definitely get you guys a pair of these if you can. Let her cook.
Yep. Stack some blocks up. Now they'll give that more weight and maybe it'll make it.
Shit. Well, that's that. Damn. Good thing my daughter didn't see that.